Hello. Today we're talking about decluttering. Surprise, surprise. And the fact that it is not optional. It is not a game. It is not a you don't have to do it if you don't want to. It is a non-negotiable thing. If you want to discipline yourself and you want to get your house in order, then you need to do 15 minutes 4 times a week decluttering. Set your timer. Plant your feet, make sure you've got water, make sure your music is on, get something that enlivens you, or a podcast or something that is interesting to you, and you sit in front of your clutter area, and you have 3 containers, throw away, put away, give away, and you go through that until the 15-minute bell rings. If you finish before 15 minutes is up, move to the next section. Stop when the bell rings, and then complete the process. Throw the trash in the garbage outside, put the giveaway in the back of the car, and take those other things and put them where they go. Make it a great day.